Hey guys, it's your man here, the Bings here, back with another video. And in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to get monetized on YouTube. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, first of all, what you want to do is come on your YouTube browser or YouTube and then click on your channel icon. Then click on YouTube Studio. Wait for it to load up. Okay guys, so it has finished loading up. So what you're going to want to do now is click on monetization, and this will basically tell you what you need. So guys, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. So guys, you have to have those in order to be monetized on YouTube. To be monetized means that you're going to be able to make money. So guys, if you're wondering how you're going to get monetized, so basically when YouTube reviews your channel, they are going to put ads into your videos, and if people watch the ads you get money, but if they don't watch the ads you won't get any revenue from it. Okay guys, you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if this video helped you or not, because I really read the comments, all of them. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.